Every morning we're greeted by the sight of a few who collect the residual of our day's work, rest and happiness. Our consciousness of waste begins and ends at our doorstep. This is a journey following the trail of waste. The waste that has been and will always be. The waste we wish to forget but cannot.
For public, segregation of waste is a must as per the Supreme Court's order of 2000. So segregation of waste in wet and dry garbage. So what is wet garbage? Wet is from which we can make compost, and dry means that can be reused and recycled. So for public, the 3 R's are given, that is reduce, reuse and recycle, so as to lower the load of this garbage to corporation. And for corporation, there are 3 P. There is publication, then penalty and pickup. So in our corporation, almost daily 1400 tons of garbage is generated from the pickup. And we have plants at SWaCH, Adapsar. In SWaCH plant, 1000 ton of garbage goes to Hanzar plant, and 200 tons goes to Disha plant. And since last 1 month, one more plant of Broken came up there, and almost 100 tons is going there, and we are increasing there. So almost 1400 tons of garbage has been taken care of. You must be aware about that SWaCH. SWaCH means solid waste handling and collection and handling association. So that has been authorized by Pune Corporation. Pune is one of the first corporation which has authorized these people. This is an association of rag pickers. Earlier rag pickers used to go on in the container and pick up whatever is required to them, and then they sell it and have their livelihood. But now that concept has been changed by Pune Municipal Corporation, and on humanitarian ground, we are authorized them to collect garbage from house to house, and that too only dry garbage.
SWaCH is a cooperative of rag pickers concerned not only with ensuring employment but also with a number of humanitarian issues. It provides basic requirements like tubs, gloves, raincoats, caps, soaps and so on to its members. It provides a basic insurance to the workers. It is also concerned with preserving the dignity of its members and their work.
So every ward office, almost every ward office or in between 2 ward office, we have a ramp. That is a collection center. All the garbage collected from that area goes to that ramp, and in the ramp we have big vehicles, we call it a BRC, of 12 tons capacity. So that has been filled there and then transported to SWaCH plant or Adapsar plant.
OWC plants located in many places all over the city receive wet waste, mostly hotel waste, weighing up to 7 to 8 tons daily. This waste is wholly converted into organic manure a day. The first step includes manual segregation of waste to remove plastic and other non-recyclable items from the wet waste. Bulky waste is put through a shredder and converted into easily degradable material, which is then clubbed with other waste. This waste is then put into a composting machine with sawdust, bacterial culture and odor control chemical. After a treatment of 15 minutes, a homogenized, odor-free output is generated. This mixture is then kept aside for 2 weeks in a temperature and moisture controlled environment. At the end of these 2 weeks, we get manure, which is then used in municipal parks, gardens and other places. Thus, wet waste is completely eliminated.
This Gole Road or Aundwa, we have biogas plant also. So whatever is the hotel waste that comes to us, almost 5 tons of wet garbage or hotel waste goes to that plant, and from that we make electricity. In Gole Road area, almost 180 street lights have been run on this biogas plant.
The final step of waste management is dumping the waste in a landfill, which is generally located in the outskirts of the city. Pune city's landfill is located at Urli Devachi. This landfill receives up to 1,000 tons of waste each day. This waste is generally mixed waste which cannot be eliminated at any of the previous steps. Hunjar Biotech Energies, a private firm, deals with solid waste processing using multi-product recycling and waste minimization. Hunjar creates 4 end products from its processes. 1. A bio-organic fertilizer. 2. Sand used for construction purposes. 3. Recycled plastic pellets. 4. Dry municipal solid waste in brick form used as a green fuel.
With people's participation, almost 150-200 tons of garbage is reduced at source. So, corporation is giving facility to people also in this manner. Whoever is reducing the garbage or the processing at source, so corporation is giving 5% rebate on the tax.
So processing at source would mean composting?
Yes, that is actually a zero garbage concept. So the garbage should be reduced and it should be processed at source.
A huge amount of waste is processed every day. Sites of overflowing garbage bins, rivers choked with plastic bags, unconcerned citizens littering streets are rampant. The onus of keeping our surroundings clean does not lie on the authorities alone, but with us, the generators of waste. We cannot eliminate waste, but we can minimize it. The first step towards it is segregation of wet and dry garbage at home. Remember, your city reflects you. Be clean, be responsible.